Welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the latest trends and innovations shaping the world around us. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic that is transforming the way software developers work: GitHub, particularly focusing on how tools like GitHub Copilot are revolutionizing code writing and collaboration. So, let's kick things off. What if I told you there's an AI assistant that helps you write code almost like a copilot in your favorite aircraft? Well, that's basically what GitHub Copilot does. It uses machine learning to suggest whole lines or blocks of code as you're typing, making the coding process not just faster, but also more intuitive. I mean, who wouldn't want a smart assistant to bounce ideas off of, right? Now let's get a bit more into the nuts and bolts of it. GitHub Copilot draws from a massive amount of public programming data to understand the context of your code and suggest the most relevant snippets. It's like having a seasoned mentor by your side, 24/7. And it's designed to help with various languages, from Python to JavaScript, which means it caters to a wide range of developers, regardless of their specialty. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think AI can truly replace the creativity and problem-solving skills of a human developer? Or is it more of a partnership, where we leverage AI to streamline our workflow? And speaking of workflow, GitHub has rolled out a number of other features that complement Copilot beautifully. For instance, their Actions feature allows developers to automate workflows. Imagine you've just pushed a new code update. Actions can automatically run tests or deploy your app, freeing you up to focus on more creative tasks. It's all about efficiency. But here's a question for you. In a world where workflows are becoming increasingly automated, how do we keep the human touch in our collaborative projects? It's essential because creativity doesn't thrive in isolation. Let's not forget the Discussions feature on GitHub, which encourages collaboration beyond just the code. This is super interesting because it allows teams to brainstorm ideas, discuss changes, and provide feedback in a centralized space, almost like a virtual water cooler where developers can connect and share thoughts. As we think about collaboration, something like GitHub Sponsors particularly stands out. It directly funds open-source developers, allowing them to focus on projects that matter to them and the community. This creates a sense of ownership and commitment to quality that's hard to achieve otherwise. All right, I know we've covered a lot, but let's take a moment to breathe and digest this. The evolution of tools like GitHub Copilot signifies a shift in how we approach coding and collaboration in the tech space. It's like we're entering a new era where creativity and technology blend seamlessly, making coding more accessible. So, as we wrap up today's episode, what do you think is next for the future of software development? How can we ensure that while leveraging these advanced tools, we don't lose the essential human aspects of creativity and collaboration? There are so many exciting possibilities, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Talk. Remember to subscribe for more engaging conversations about the technology shaping our lives. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating.